I'm really excited to see that you joined this course. Welcome on board. My name is Maximilian Schwarzmüller and I'll be your instructor in this course. In this course, you will learn Python from scratch, no prior knowledge required. And you will learn it by building an exciting course project, an entire blockchain and your own cryptocurrency from scratch. We'll build this basic blockchain throughout this course, and therefore you will learn about many of the core features that are related to the blockchain technology. But this is not a blockchain course, it's the course project to learn and to see how to apply Python. This course is about Python, and there we'll start at the very basics, the base syntax, and then we'll gradually dive deeper and deeper into the many features Python offers, how we can add third-party packages, how we can interact with files, how we can do object-oriented programming with Python, how we can run a web server with Python. All these things always also apply to the blockchain. This is the idea behind the course, and I'm more than convinced that once you finish this course, you have the best possible preparation to dive deeper into your favorite branch of Python development, be that building desktop apps, web apps, dive into data science. All these things are possible since you will have more than solid fundamentals after you finish the course. This is not a course that stops at the basics. We will dive in deeper. And the course project we're building here, the blockchain, does not only have the advantage of being a bit more interesting than your ordinary to-do app, it also allows you to learn more about the blockchain technology and see how you can solve complex problems with Python. So I'm super excited. Let's get started.